For lesson 6, we're going to add dimensions to our chair. So it's important that we are still in the layout. You do not want to do this in the model view. So go ahead and in the annotation click onto dimension, and let's go to the linear, and we're just going to do an overview of this. So go ahead, and you might need to zoom in. It makes it easier to snap, and it's going to be 18 inches. That's the width of the chair. And then let's go ahead and do the depth, but why don't we go ahead and just call this out as 1-inch material here, since we can do it pretty easily. And then let's go ahead with the depth of this chair, which is going to be 21 inches. That was from the top view. Let's go to the front view. And if you need to zoom in, that's fine. So you might, on the cylinder, select it from the center and go to the top. That's the height of the back. And then let's go ahead and do the legs. So you'll probably need to zoom in. The top of the cylinder. And then move it to the right. Either side is fine. And then let's go ahead and do the entire chair from the left view. And it's going to be at 38 inches, which is a standard height. Now let's go ahead and dimension the radius of this. So go ahead and click onto the cylinder, the circle, and then press enter, and you should see that it's 2 inches. Now we can also very easily change the dimensions here. So I went to the extents on the view, and I did extent, and that zoomed it for me. So if I select all the font, all the text, all the dimensions, and select the properties, so I'm in the properties panel, and you'll need to go down until you find the primary units, and right now we're in decimal. Let's go ahead and change it to architectural. And just go ahead and click it and press enter, and you have a lot of options here with the size of your font, of your size of your arrows. This is where you have all these controls. And you're pretty much done here. You want to go back to the model. And one of the neat things about this, you'll notice there's no dimensions here. If I would delete an object or add an object, let's just erase this back temporarily, you'll notice it's gone here, which is a nice feature. So if you add things, they'll appear. Let's go and make sure that's there, and you can just do Control Z or undo, and you've completed the chair.